I'm feeling myself, honestly. Anyways, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome to the gang, to the KD gang. Honestly, I feel like KD, I feel like that's a thing. But anyway, so today we're doing a recreation of Ariana Grande, my girl, from her video Position. That's right, Position. Anyways, before we get into this video, I want to let you know that if you're new to here, I have a hair extension company called Kadar. So every time I do a get ready with me, a beauty, hair, whatever video, I'm going to drop a special coupon code just for you. So this week, our special coupon code will be 25% off Bob. So you never know when I'm going to drop your link, okay? So you have to watch the whole entire video. And if you don't know, the website is in my description below, kadarshop.com. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram as well, because you never know when we got special. And definitely subscribe to our email list, because everybody that is subscribed to our email list get the early access. All right, anyways, so without further ado, let's get into this video. All right guys, so before we start, you already know the drill. We're going to go with my Bath and Body Works candle. It's You Are the One, because I know I am the one. So we're just gonna light it up, because you already know I need the vibes. Yo, you need to get this candle, guys. This is lit. And this time I had my my other lighter, because you know last time it kind of embarrassed me and stuff. As you can tell, I already have my Ariana Grande makeup look. I just wanted to really embody this recreation, so I'm just like, let me just do my Ariana Grande makeup look. I tried to really copy her picture that I'm gonna insert right now, but Ariana, we don't got the same eyebrows, and you can't really tell how the makeup look really looks, so it kind of looked like it was a nude neutral brownish color. And yeah, so I did my best, honestly speaking. I did my best. So yeah, so let's start. We're obviously gonna start by straightening my hair. I literally washed it, treated it. Oh guys, before we start, I just want to show you something. I want to show you my Ariana Grande t-shirt. Ooh, cause like, yo, we need to embody this like to the T, okay, to the T. So I just decided, why not wear my Ariana Grande t-shirt? Respect the queen. But yeah, so I wash my hair, I deep condition it, and this is how I be looking. I actually love my natural hair. It just takes so long to do. So yeah, so I'm gonna be using my straightener and of course my Kadar comb to get the perfection of the straightening of this hair. I almost like curls, but it's straight hair. So yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. And before I start, obviously, you guys don't judge me. Yesterday I was trying to do a video and I scrapped it, but we're gonna use some heat protection spray. Sorry, like I have this gold thing. Like I said, I was trying to do a video yesterday and yeah, flop. So we're gonna do this. All right. Yeah, so I'm gonna section my hair off, as you can see. I'm gonna start from the bottom. So I'm gonna take this chunk here, put this up, put this up. All right, so I don't know how you guys straighten your hair, but this is how I do it. So I'm gonna use also my Kadar hair clips right here, just to pin up like the excess hair, because we're gonna do this. This is gonna have to be perfection, because Ariana Grande is perfection, so we're gonna have to do this to perfection. So we're gonna pin my hair back. Kadar clips. What? Honestly, I'm gonna fast forward this part because it's a lot, but this is how you, if you want like bone straight hair, this is how you do it. You take your hair, you put the hair comb right underneath, you take your straightener, and then you slide it down. This is called the chasing method. I usually do it twice just because and all the way down, and there you have it, bone straight. curly. Bone straight, curly. All right, so I'm gonna fast forward this part because this part is very long. All right, see you guys in a sec. Alright, so now that we're done this first part, now it's time to get into the real recreation. Now that we have our hair straight, it's time to go. Honestly, I haven't had my hair straight in a while. I'm actually like, girl, I'm feeling myself. Feeling myself. But yeah. Alright, time to get to the next part. Alright, so now that we have our hair, our natural hair straight, let me just look at the picture one more time. Woo! Yo, Ari, you're making me do the most! But yeah, okay. Alright, she's looking cute, Okay, so she definitely has like the hair. Okay, so which side do I want my hair to go? Oh my gosh, I think that's a very good question, Kathy. I wish I was posting this on Instagram so you guys can pick which side. But anyway, so we're gonna pick a random side, and okay. Alright. It's a very simplistic style, but like it's, I don't know, it's just kinda challenging. I really want to concentrate so I can get my inner Ariana Grande. Let me call her Ari because now we're in first name base. So Ari and I'm gonna get her look going, but I think I'm gonna do voiceover because I want to concentrate. Okay, so yeah, so I'm gonna concentrate and then yeah, okay. guys, honestly, please subscribe. Like, please subscribe. If you're not subscribed to this gang, to the KD gang, yo, actually I don't know if I want to do KD gang, but if you're not subscribed, subscribe now. All right, okay, so let's go for it.
All right, so while your girl's trying to figure out which side she wants to do what she wants to do, I'm gonna drop the code right now. Boom. So the code for the 25% off for the bob is going to be Kadar25 bob. So that's right, Kadar25 bob. So get your bob right now. There's bang bobs, there's a classic bob, there's a blonde bob, there's a burgundy and brown bob. There's all bobs that you want. So go to the site right now at www.kadarshop.com and get your bob, girl. Slay. You got 1 week. The code is valid until next Saturday, which will be January 9, 2021. Alright, so now as we move along to this beautiful hairstyle, as you can see, I use my edge control, the black one, just to slay the sides. Ari doesn't do, I don't think Ari believes in edges, so we didn't do edges for this look because, you know, I guess that's how Ari does it. We're gonna use some bobby pin to bob We're gonna use some bobby pin to pin back my hair. Yo, I'm so glad my hair is long to do this kind of look, guys. Honestly, even if you have short hair, I feel like this look is for you. And if ever, just add some clip-ins. And Kadar's coming with some clip-ins in the future. Anyways, I use my straightener to flip my ends. As you can see, it's looking cute, it's looking fresh. Okay, pretty easy, pretty simple. You got this. If you're trying at home, please don't forget to tag me at Kathy Dorleans on Instagram, on YouTube, wherever it's at, Twitter, Facebook. Just tag me. I want to see it. But yeah, so as you can see, a little trick that I do, I use some spray and a brush. You just, you know, flip it a little bit more. We're gonna add some curls because Ari had some curls in her video. Hers was bigger than mine, but it's all good. I still look cute though. Alright, here's a big reveal in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Perfect, you're too good to be true. But I get tired of